The healthiest thing at any barbecue is often the veggies, but not everyone just wants plain, raw veggies to dip in something or eat on its own. If you want to bring veggies as a side dish, but keep it on the lighter side, these ideas will help. 1. Broccoli, apple, pineapple salad. This is a fun vegetable side that is also super healthy for you. It is a broccoli salad, but adds a few extra ingredients to make it more interesting and flavorful. Broccoli salad is usually a fan favorite, but for the summertime, you can make it seasonal and fresh by adding some fruit. Two fruits that go great with broccoli are apples and pineapple. To keep it light, toss these ingredients with nuts of your choice and a reduced sugar vinaigrette instead of anything full of sugar or cream based. 2. Potatoes with veggies. Instead of making potato salad for the barbecue, which as you know is loaded with mayonnaise and other fatty ingredients, why not do roasted potatoes with veggies? You can bring this as already prepared to a potluck, or you can put them in foil packets and throw them on the grill. Choose veggies that go with potatoes like carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. 3. Fruit salad with vinaigrette. This is a great way to bring fruit to your barbecue, without having to top it with whipped cream or mix whipped cream inside the fruit. You can cut up fresh fruit and just toss it with a small amount of fruity sugar-free vinaigrette like strawberry or raspberry. This makes it good even for someone on a lower carb diet. 4. Loaded green beans. This allows you to bring along a vegetable for health purposes, but also encourage others to try it. Have a hard time getting your kids to eat veggies, even with a yummy dip? Why not bring a loaded vegetable like green beans? You can top it with things like cheese, bacon bits, and even a little bit of sour cream. For a potluck, bring the veggie of choice, then in separate containers, all the toppings. People can make their own loaded vegetable however they like. 5. Grilled veggies. The last option is super simple and allows you to have veggies at a barbecue, but also eat grilled food along with everyone else. Bring veggies you enjoy, but that you think would be enhanced on the grill, like corn on the cob or bell peppers.